All right, guys, we're going to do a first off the line Panini Prism box. So this is going to be break number one of these. I've got two boxes that we're going to do all together. So, Doug, you're in the room, man, so you tell me right or left. You want the left box or you want the right box? I'll let you pick it. So whichever one you pick, that's what we'll break. So there are 10 cards in the first off the line boxes. You got 3 of the autographs and then some Prism parallels and stuff like that in it as well. So, man, hopefully we can pull something nasty out of here. So every spot is going to give you 3 random teams. And so I've got Justin M with 1 spot. I've got Barry with 2. Tori's got 2. And then, Doug, you've got 5 spots in this. So if for some reason you don't hit any cards in the box, then I've got just a little bonus, little 3-pack Prism hanger pack that we'll give out if you don't hit anything. So everybody's going to walk away with something on the Prism, but hopefully it's something good. All right, so Doug has picked the right box. So that's going to be this one. That's what you were going to pick too? All right, so let's see if Doug was right. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the teams. Let's mix this up first here. Yeah. All right, so here we go. We got all 30 teams in here. Let's randomize it 5 times. Hey, go turn that TV off. All right, so there is your 30 teams. All right, let's randomize the guys in this 5 times, and then we'll match them up with the teams. See who gets New Orleans. All right, here we go. Let's see who's got what. All right, Barry. Barry's going to have New Orleans. There you go, Barry. So you've also got the Bucks, you got the Nets, the Kings, the Thunder, the Jazz. Doug, you've got the Hawks, the Heat, the Pistons, the Cavs, the Clippers, the Celtics, the Wizards, you got the Grizzlies, so you got Ja Morant. The Magic, Rockets, Nuggets, Blazers, Pacers, Mavs, and Hornets. Justin, you've got the Suns, Spurs, and Lakers. And then, Tori, you've got the Knicks, Golden State, you got the Timberwolves, the Bulls, the Raptors, and the Sixers. All right, so there are the full 30 teams. You all right? All right, here we go. You can't ruin it now. All right. Don't be like, oh my gosh, Zion.
First time I've really seen so long like this. I haven't even seen a YouTube video.
All right, I have no idea how they've got these positioned.
Would you freak out if you pulled a Zion on us?
I mean, it would be pretty cool.
Would that be like a really good, like, would that mean it?
All right, looks like the auto, well, let's start in order. All right, so first up we got Chandler Parsons for the Hawks, silver. I'll put rookies in the sleeve and top loader right away. Malcolm Brogdon for the Pacers. Another silver. We got Kareem for the Lakers, silver. We got Russell Westbrook for the Rockets. So there's the 4 silvers. All right, then it looks like we're skipping right to the autos. Let's do this. Let's put the autos in the bottom.
Would it be good if you just pulled like a Zion blue?
Yeah. All right, first up, we got a Pelicans, but it's not Zion. We got Nickeil Alexander-Walker.
Is that hard?
That's still a good one. He's a first-round pick. It's going to be the blue parallel here. Why don't you go ahead and open those sleeves for me. Just pull out the whole stack. That's fine. All right. Next, we got Mario Hezonja for Portland. That's going to be a nice one to 25. What do you think, man? We're going to be able to pull something?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I mean, maybe like for lucky January.
All right, and then we got an Ersan Ilyasova for the Bucks. See another blue parallel, blue prism. All right, now let's get to the hits. First up, we got a nice one, Nasir Little. That's a sticker auto, which is kind of surprising. Rookie signature. But it's the gold, so it's 9 out of 10. So I don't know where he was picked at, but nice one there for Portland. All right, then we got a Kenny Skywalker for the Knicks. $19 out of 25. Hey, bud, you're shaking. We'll take it. All right, then we got one more hit, our final auto. And it's going to be a Kiki Vandeweghe for the Nuggets. So not what we were hoping for. It's a blue prism, no number. So I don't know what, I mean, that little, Nasir Little for Portland gold, that's going to be the best hit out of the bunch. So Kenny Skywalker, Nasir Little, Kiki Vandeweghe, the 3 autos. Ersan Ilyasova for the Bucks, Mario Hezonja for the Portland Trailblazers, and then that's a pretty nice one there. Nickeil Alexander-Walker for the Pelicans. So Bear, at least we got you something there. And then our silvers, Russell Westbrook for the Rockets, Kareem for the Lakers, Malcolm Brogdon for the Pacers, and then Chandler Parsons for the Hawks. So let's double check all the teams. I know Barry got something. Doug, you got a hit. Tor, you hit something. Justin got the Suns, Spurs, and Lakers. So we ended up pulling you a Kareem silver. But I'll tell you what we'll do is, Justin, we'll go ahead and send that out to you as well. Yeah, I'm at the left box. Hey, we can do that tonight, man, if you guys want to fill it. Portland, who had Portland? Portland was going to be you, man. So, Doug, you got Portland. So, you hit the low number auto. You got the Denver auto. The Knicks auto's going to Torrey. And then Barry's going to hit the Nickeil Alexander-Walker. pretty nice there. So Justin, we'll send out. Everybody got something, but Justin, you hit one base silver, so I'll go ahead and send out the Pelicans or the Prism pack to you. So that'll do it for the first break. We'll try to do another one on Sunday night. So if you guys want to jump in, hit me up at Todd@TennskinBreaks.com, and we'll get you in for Sunday night, and hopefully we can pull a Zion out of that one.